All right, it's coming down. I did the first passing, so we'll see what it looks like in a few hours. It's a good amount though, like, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's get this started. Still good. A little bit of weight on the roof. See, it's splintering in, but we'll see if it keeps it well. Well, maybe. This is a wild blizzard.
You just got so excited that you left the muffins for him.
So this tree is really low on us now.
The dogwood.
Yeah,
I mean,
the
one that's
mulberry,
on
the mulberry. Yeah, it like is like not lying on the shed, but it's like really heavy and it could crash into it. But I took a video of it and some pictures.
That's why you're back there.
Yeah, so like if it does happen, then I could like claim it on the home insurance. Maybe get in the shed.
Yeah, come here.
And then this popped open up, so now that all the snow came in through here. Just too heavy.
We can't look out any of the windows.
The snow is so heavy, my Anthony.
We saw you in the backyard already, so he's calm because we saw you.
Oh, you got the muffin? Good job.
Before that, he was like, "What is he? What is he? What is he? Is that Dada?" I was like, "That's the neighbor. Is that Dada? That's
Yeah.
the neighbor." Is
So
that Dada?
I made an agreement with Paul. I cleared out his gate, and then got him a trail to the snowblower, and he'll do our side.
Oh, nice.
So
That's crazy.
a good little
Did you
proposal.
do their front too?
I didn't do it. I just got to the side.
Okay.
Maybe I will do that. I'll do his.
Oh, you know why? Because the tenant probably comes up the.
That side. Yeah. So maybe I'll do that, and then and clear his way to get there. So
Or
then
ask him. I don't know.
yeah. Wow, that's crazy.
Good, because this is insane.
This is a true blizzard.
I'm watching them across the street, and I see how deep it is.
Yeah. It's so deep. Like if you look at this mound right here, it's like up to my waist.
I saw, yeah,
You're
I saw
cold.
you walking.
Yeah, close the door, Ryan. So you guys can. I'll be in soon. I know.
I think it's the fire pit.
That is a portal pit. Is that up the portal pit?
Yeah, that's the fire pit.
What is this?
What are you sitting on then? If that's the fire pit, what are you sitting on?
Ready, set. Big slide.
After mommy eats,
So we made Lego.
because there's no more, it's safe to